Hello everybody, this is my final project, a bicycle. I wanna make it because it's doable and hard enough to practice my SolidWorks skills. For scale, I put in a real image of a bicycle in SolidWorks and get a correct scale. After a few tests, my bicycle body can handle force up to 5,000 pounds before deforming. Except some techniques like extruded parts and mirror I learned in class, I have to learn more ways to play around with 2D sketch, curve drawing pattern, and mechanical assembly cam and gear. Wheel and chain are the two that I spend my time the most. Right here, for the chain, I created a whole chain by feature mirror, but it didn't work if I wanted a chain having mechanical motion, so I must go another way. I created a chain surface first, two connecting parts of a chain and put one by one with logical mating into the chain surface. I have around like 40 to 50 objects in these chains. This is the final result. I learned a lot of new techniques on YouTube and I spent at least 40 hours for this project. Thank you.